Hi guys, this is your girl Claudia. This is going to be my second, I believe, my second video in English. So bear with me because I'm not used to that. So I usually film in Portuguese, which is my language. For those who don't know me and you just jump into my channel, yes.
Is it time to take a shower?
Probably. Wait. Mommy is filming something and then I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, yes, I'm a mom of twins. And this is my channel. I've been blogging for quite a while. Once in a while I blog in English. It all depends on mom's life. So it all depends on my mood. It all depends on what I'm going to talk about. So lately I decided, let me give it a try and film in English. Maybe I'll get some followers, some friends. I usually, instead of calling followers, I love to call them friends, because we share stuff with people that we don't know and some that we get to know. So I decided, let me give it a try and see how it goes. So the video today is going to be about something I love very much. They are behind me. Yeah, I'm here in my closet. Maybe I'll do the closet tour one day. I don't know when. Yeah, the video today is going to be about an unboxing of something I love very much. By the way, it's like earlier Valentine's Day gift. Yes, yes, yes. I'm married 10 years last year. This year is gonna be 11. Sorry. I have a visitor here that she's not welcoming. She's not welcome in my video, but she's here anyways. Okay. My unboxing today, it's something I really like. I love shoes. Yeah, I'm addicted to shoes. Yeah. Who is not? Please raise your hand. Yeah, not me. I'm very addicted to shoes. But lately I'm a mother of twins. They are 5, turning 6 soon. Not soon, in May, but May to me it's tomorrow. Yeah. So I'm addicted to shoes, like I was saying, and I do not resist when I see something that I really love. If I have the money to buy it, or if I show to my hubby and he decides, okay, you can get it, okay. So this is considered my Vday gift. So let's open up. So I will put the clip next to us. My other twin just came by. Okay, shoes like Chanel shoes or any other brand, you know, they always come with a duster bags for our shoes. No, they are not.
Yes, they are.
She was asking me if they are high heels. She's 5. She's 5 years old. Yeah, and that's what I get to be me. Okay, those are so beautiful. I really love them.
Can you show us?
I really love them, first because I'm not a black shoes type of girl. I call myself a girl. I'm not, but I was totally sold with those. Oh yeah, big time. They are so cute. And by the way, I usually shop at Tyson's Galleria, where they have a boutique, a Chanel boutique, and also they have Neiman Marcus, and they have Saks, but Saks don't sell Chanel's, do they? No, they don't. Okay, so they do sell Chanel makeup, but at Neiman's we have Chanel clothing, we have Chanel makeup, we have shoes and purses, all of that. So when I first saw this, I was like, those are pretty, but I don't do black shoes. But then I was like, well, I don't do it, but I'm gonna do these because those are so cute. I love me some Chanel flats, mostly because they last a lifetime. Honestly, they do. I don't care. I'm gonna try the pointy for the first time because I usually have my Chanel flats, ballerina flats are the round ones. So I want to do those because I feel like those are grown up shoes. I would say I call them grown up because I don't do black shoes again, and I just felt in love with those, and those are very comfy, honestly. And like you can wear like everywhere all the time, easy to wear, winter, summer, all season, all year round, if you wear some stockings and all. And I love the detailing because here it feels like a fabric, and then here is leather, and then I love the inside. And one particular thing that I love about these ones is that they are wide. Usually, if you, I don't know if you are familiar with some Chanel shoes, they are too narrow here, and it's like, for me, I have a big foot. I'm a plus size, so my feet are wide as well. So with those, I felt so comfy, and so this was my unboxing. I hope you like it. If you did, give me thumbs up. Don't forget, if you have any questions, comment down below. And I'm ready to start filming in English more often because I know that I have some viewers that usually just see my videos but they don't understand what I'm saying. But so today I decided, let me give it a try. I hope you like it, you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you really like it. And if you do, actually, I'm gonna start recording more videos in English so that I expand my followers, my English followers, because most of my followers are Portuguese speakers. So I see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kisses. Mwah, mwah. That's what we usually do in Portuguese. Beijo, beijo. Ciao, ciao. Girls, that's not nice. That's not nice at all. Because when you play your stuff, when you are on your iPads, I don't come and interrupt you. Do I?
No.
So why are you doing this to mommy? Okay, come here. I want to show my followers my twin daughters. Okay, tell your name.
Ella. Kia.
Kia, you can sit in my other lap. Okay, say hi to them.
Hi.
Okay, this is Kia Sana, and
I
this
make
is
a lot of videos.
Oh, she does. She pretends she has a YouTube channel. In the future, she might have. And this is Eva. Say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I make the last videos.